Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all doing awesome. Just the other day I got some potatoes out of the garden, so today come with me while I get some broccoli and share some of the winter harvest with you guys. For those of you who are new here, I am growing in Zone 7B, high desert area in Southwest United States, and it's such a nice warm day today even though it's late January, and that's one of the reasons I love living here in the high desert. We still get freezing cold weather and whatnot and snowfall and everything, but over the years I've kind of navigated that, and since I'm obsessed with gardening, I like to be able to grow things all year round. And thankfully for the last year and a half, maybe 2 years, I've actually been harvesting something every single month of the year, which is so awesome, and I'm so excited to share that with you guys. I believe these broccoli plants were planted out in May of last year, so that's like 8 to 9 months ago, and they went through the entire summer. They survived the heat wave, flea beetles, caterpillars, and now they're overwintering and giving me a harvest. So absolutely amazing variety. So broccoli plants, you guys, tolerate freezes and whatnot totally fine in my area, and I actually found this out one time by accidentally leaving my broccoli plants out and not picking them at the end of the season, and they did totally fine throughout the entire winter. So in fact, it actually seems to make them a little bit stronger, happier. The other thing is with broccoli, if the weather gets too warm, just like other brassicas in its family, they'll start flowering and producing seed and whatnot, which makes the broccoli kind of bitter and not really edible. So you know your broccoli is ready once the florets are kind of just large like this, and when they start to get a little loose, as you can see right here, it's really time to pick them. You actually want them kind of when they're compact, but I like to let them get as big as they can before I pick them. So even though it's a little loose, I'm totally fine with that, and it's going to taste amazing. Now this one right here is kind of smaller, and as you can see, it's a little bit tighter, so it's not quite ready to pick just yet. I'm going to let this grow a little bit longer. It'll probably be ready by springtime and everything. So now I'm going to take you guys over to my little fall garden bed that's been winterizing and everything. Now just take a look and see how amazing everything is doing under here. Fresh greens including chard and kale all winter long, just like I promised when I sowed these seeds with you guys. Look at the beautiful texture on this blue scotch curled kale, and I've never grown cauliflower this healthy and robust. And now moving on to the star of the show, the broccoli. This broccoli is a variety called Green Magic, and it's probably the largest head of broccoli that I've ever grown. Just look at that, absolutely stunning. And this one's still kind of compact, but I can tell that some of the flower buds are wanting to open up, so I'm going to go ahead and harvest this guy. And just take a look at that big, thick green stalk, you guys. And you can already see the side shoots coming on. And so once you harvest the main broccoli head, these little side shoots will continue to pop out little mini broccolis for you. So we're going to try to cut right about here so that we can continue to let the little broccoli florets grow. And I think this is actually kind of too big for my pruners. I'm going to have to go get a knife. Got a sharp knife here, and let's get this broccoli. This plant's going to remain, and as you can see those little shoots on the side, it's going to give you little broccoli florets. So it's just going to stay in this bed. And guys, this bed has been so maintenance free. I only water it every once in a while. Otherwise it just gets the normal snowfall and the normal rain, whatever we get. I just make sure that things don't get too dried out, so I'll come and check on them every couple weeks or so. But yeah, look at this beauty. And best of all, no bugs or anything to worry about. Absolutely beautiful, no bugs. Alright guys, so I went ahead and harvested from 3 plants. The last one didn't record, but a nice little bouquet of broccoli. Well, there you guys have it. Quick little broccoli video for you guys. Just wanted to share this with you guys and kind of show you that even here in the desert garden, smack dab in the middle of winter, if I'm able to grow this stuff, so can you. So I hope this video was inspiring. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know in the comments down below. Please leave a like. If you're new here, please subscribe so that you can keep up to date with all the things I'm doing here in the desert garden. And for my subscribers, thank you for your support, and we'll see you in the next one. And believe me, you guys, this dish that we made with the broccoli is probably the best broccoli that I've ever tasted.